Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a new product that I have added into my beauty routine. I have been testing this product out and I am so excited to share this product with you guys. I have been using this product for the past 2 weeks and I honestly feel like I have brought a spa into my home. I have been loving my morning routine since adding this to it, and I definitely have some thoughts to share with you. I know you guys have seen a lot of face masks lately. It is a product that is trending, but today's product is a little different, and this is the J Moon by ULike ReGlow Max. I am so excited to tell you guys all about it. So if you have been curious or if you are interested in red light therapy, just keep on watching. Guys, so today's video is in partnership with a brand that I have worked with in the past. Today I'll be sharing my thoughts on the J Moon ULike ReGlow Max, which I've been incorporating into my daily routine and I have fallen in love. I have worked with ULike in the past. You guys might have watched my review on the ULike face mask, which I still use and love, but ever since I brought this product into my routine, I am just obsessed. I love the way that I feel when I'm using it. The ULike ReGlow Max, this is just on another level because this is very different from the face mask. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I feel like a lot of us, especially people who love skincare, people who love to take care of their face, we've kind of been dabbling and getting way more into body care as well. I know for myself, I want to start taking care of my chest and my neck area. I personally can be someone to once in a while struggle with body acne, or I get a lot of texture on my skin and my body as well as on my face. I have always struggled with that, so texture is a big issue for me. I also tend to get redness and I also tend to get congestion. So of course, being the self-care lover that I am, I'm always using body exfoliators, adding products to my body routine, adding products to my skincare routine. But I have also been curious about products that can help me on a deeper level. This is the ULike ReGlow Max, and what makes it different is that it can be used not only on your face but also on your body. It has a foldable design so you can adjust it for your face, your neck, and your body. It is super easy to set up. I was in love with the way that it came packaged, the instructions, everything was so clear and easy. You can do full body treatments with this. It has a 0 to 180 degree foldable design and it covers every angle from head to toe treatment. You can do face, body, legs, and even your scalp with 4 optimal folding angles for total body coverage, no spot missed. I also love that it uses 3 types of light therapy. Blue light helps with breakouts, red light helps smooth and support the skin, and near infrared light penetrates deeper for overall skin support. It has 464 LED lights providing even and powerful coverage. Now what I love about this device is just how easy it is for me to use it. So I have been using it a lot when I come back home from doing a workout at the gym. I usually take a shower, I'll do my morning skincare routine, but I have incorporated this into my routine. So I will take this most of the time. My favorite place to use it is on my vanity because that is where I do my skincare and I do everything. One of my favorite things about this product was that when I was looking at the product pictures, I thought that I was going to have to buy like something separate to be able to put it as a stand, you guys. Like you can literally lay down on your bed and put this over because it already comes with these stands already attached here, which I was so excited when I saw that because that makes it even more relaxing if you want to lay on your bed and kind of have like that spa experience, kind of like when you're getting a facial. You just want to relax for a little bit, give yourself a 5-minute treatment, which is another thing that I love about this. A 5-minute treatment to me as a mom of 3 is so quick and easy. It's not something that I have to take a bunch of time out of my day to do, and I think that's what I have been loving the most out of this device. I also like to use it if I'm watching TV, if I'm maybe just listening to something on my phone, and also at nighttime before bed. It's just like a nice way to unwind. It just feels like you're taking a moment to take care of yourself. And I did mention the mask previously. I do want to mention that if you purchase the mask before, that is more than enough. You have what you need to get the red light therapy. I just really love the flexibility of this product and that you can use it on so many parts of your body because sometimes we struggle with acne in different parts of our body, and this is an amazing device to use for that. Now, as for my results, I always like to let you guys know that this is not a miracle product. This is not something that you're going to use and you're going to get results from one day to the next. But there is something that I consistently notice when I do these therapies, and that is kind of like this radiance that my skin gets right after I do my skincare. So I usually do my skincare and I will get a glow and I will feel like I'm radiant. But when I stick to doing the red light therapy, I feel like when I apply my skincare, there's just like this different type of like glass-like glow to my skin. It just looks a little bit more radiant, kind of looks a little brighter and smoother, and it does help to heal my breakouts that I noticed. I just get them depending on where I am on my cycle, and the red light therapy really helps to speed up the recovery of those, because these tend to take really long to heal and they will itch and be really red and irritating. But with the use of the red light therapy, I can say that in a couple days I already feel soothed. They're almost pretty much flat. So I feel like the healing process of the skin is just so much quicker. I love that this is a one-time investment. Instead of constantly having to book appointments or buy skincare products, this is something that once you have it, you can continue to enjoy the benefits of it. And for those of you who don't know me too well, because I know a lot of you guys do, I honestly prefer to do things at my home. I do my nails at home. I like to do my hair at home. I feel like I relax more that way. And this product just makes it so easy. It is such a foolproof product, and I am just very, very happy to have it in my beauty routine. So with that said, if you would like to check this product out, I'll be leaving the links and all of the information that you need below in the description box. If you've been thinking about trying red light therapy, this is such an easy way to get started in the comfort of your own home. All right, guys, so that brings me to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have tried red light therapy before, or if you are curious about it. I cannot wait to talk to you in the comments section. Thank you so much to ULike once again for sponsoring today's video. And with that said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.